Hi everyone, my name is Dakarai, and I am the Tongue Twister Tuesday special guest today. I picked out 3 tongue twisters. Each one will say 3 times, each time saying it a little faster. Here's the first one. 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. Wow. That letter T, huh? Okay. A little faster, second time through. 12 twins twirl 12 twigs. All right. Third time, we always do it as fast as I can. Here we go. 12 twins twirl 12 twigs. Woohoo! All right, here's my second one, featuring the letter S. 6 slimy snails slid slowly seaward. 6 slimy snails slid slowly seaward. All right, that was my second time. Third time, remember, as fast as I can go. 6 slimy snails slid slowly seaward. Woohoo! I'm actually surprised at how good I did that one, but I really practiced. And for my third one, so much fun. Here we go. First time slow. How many yaks could a yak pack pack if a yak pack could pack yaks? A little faster, second time. How many yaks could a yak pack pack if a yak pack could pack yaks? Woo! And my tongue did get tied there. Third time, last one. Here I go. How many yaks could a yak pack pack if a yak pack could pack yaks? Woohoo! Well, I hope that you find these to be fun tongue twisters that you could share with your friends and family. We'll see you next time on Tongue Twister Tuesday. Bye!